Okay, so this is going to be the world's fastest tutorial on how to use Cora Spink bag wax, the paste and the spray. So first of all, we've got two of our waxed canvases and we've got the raw unwaxed canvas. So let's start off with the first raw. We take a white clean cloth, lint-free cotton cloth. Take the paste. Now, much like any other paste, so such as a shoe wax or a shoe polish, take a nice amount and just spread it onto the canvas all over. Take your time, use plenty, spread it on. Now, we're actually in a warm room, even though it's quite cold spring here in the UK. It's still quite warm indoors, so this is actually melting into and blending into the canvas really nicely. But take your time, spread it in. Don't be afraid to use, you can't use too much. So spread it in. You don't need to leave it to sit. Then we can use the hairdryer on a hot setting. Now you can see how I've done way more in the centre of here rather than on the edges. Now, just for demonstration purposes, I'll leave that to sit and I'll come back in 5 minutes, let that cool down. Okay, so it's just a couple of minutes later. This is still warm from the hairdryer, but I did actually go over and try to get covered to the edges. I didn't actually want to get anything on the wood. So probably when you're doing it, it will be a bag so you can hold it, but try not to get excess wax on furniture or furnishings. Anyway, so as we can see, this has been nicely coated now with one coat. It's been hair dried to warm the wax into and help the wax absorb into the cloth. What we've got is we've got the raw untreated, we've got now the treated, but it's still warm. So I just thought we'd do a little test with some sparkling water, because that's exactly what rain is, and you can see the immediate difference. So that is what Cora Spink bag wax can do. It's the same for the spray, but we'll do that in the second video. But yeah, that's the Cora Spink bag wax.